The tenacity and resolve of our air warriors ensured that the IF continued to retain its capability and capacity to undertake full-scale operations throughout this period. In fact, we deployed our transport and helicopter aircraft promptly during the lockdown to support COVID-19 tasks, pan-India as well as abroad, wherein we flew almost 750 hours, including many missions to bring back stranded Indians across the globe. The evolving threat matrix in our region is becoming complex, ranging from aspirational adversaries with huge investment in military arsenal to those collusively supported by non-state actors, apart from growing subconventional threats emanating from terrorism and cyberspace. Disruptive technologies and easy access to low-cost options like drones are increasingly demanding greater attention to the subconventional domain. I would like to commend all air warriors for the quick response in the recent standoff on our northern frontiers. When we deployed our combat assets at short notice to handle any eventuality and provided proactive support to all the requirements of deployment and sustenance for the Indian Army. We have clearly demonstrated our resolve, our operational capability, and the will to effectively engage the adversary should the need arise. The emerging security scenario mandates a greater need to have a strong air force to fight across domains across the entire spectrum of the warfare. Our vision for this decade is to continue to comprehensively scale up our combat capability and be a force to reckon with across the entire sphere of influence. Through careful force structuring, modernization, operational training, and acquisition of indigenous equipment to achieve substantial self-reliance. The recent induction of state-of-the-art Rafale, Chinook, and Apache aircraft have added significantly to our combat capability over our adversaries in the battlefield. Our offensive strike capability has been honed further with upgradations of our aircraft, with weapon systems and sensors, ably supported by a networked decision-making matrix. We have a large strategic airlift capability comprising of IL-76s, C-17s, and C-130s, and have also significantly enhanced our heli-lift capabilities with our helicopter inductions.